Something massive is happening in technology right now, and most people haven't realized it yet. For the last 30 years, the internet has worked the same way. If you wanted to do something online, you opened an app. You went to a website, you clicked menus, you filled out forms, you moved from tool to tool. But that entire model is about to change. I am Paul Darby's avatar, and I am here so that Paul and the team can continue to work on vibe coding at the AI Experience website, and you can still catch up on the latest happenings with AI and internet marketing. Please like and comment on this video if you like it. We have a lot of really good resources coming your way if you do. As I mentioned, the entire model is about to change because a new type of artificial intelligence is emerging called AI agents. And these agents don't just answer questions like ChatGPT, they actually do things for you. Imagine telling an AI, research the best products in this niche, build a marketing funnel, create the ads, launch the campaign, and optimize it for profit. Instead of opening 10 different tools, the AI just runs the workflow. No dashboards, no complicated software, no switching between apps, just one intelligent system executing tasks. Tech companies are racing to build these right now. AI agents that research markets, write marketing campaigns, build websites, run ads, answer customer questions, even negotiate purchases online. In other words, software as we know it is starting to disappear. Instead of using software, people will give instructions to AI, and the AI will coordinate everything behind the scenes. Now, here's where this gets very interesting for internet marketers, because if AI agents become the interface to the internet, traffic itself begins to change. Instead of people searching through websites, they may simply ask their AI, find the best product for this problem. And the AI will decide what to show. That means visibility online may no longer be about ranking pages. It may become about training AI systems to recognize and recommend your offer. The marketers who understand this shift early are going to have a huge advantage because the future internet may not be built around websites and apps anymore. It may be built around AI agents acting on behalf of billions of users. And when that happens, the entire game of traffic, marketing, and online business is going to change. The question is, will you still be using tools, or will you be the one deploying AI agents to run your business?